Good afternoon from East Central Minnesota. Today we're raking hay. I'm raking a kind of grass clover mix with International 656 tractor and a New Holland 260 hydraulically driven rake. Raking into the two swats into one, the double windrows, and it's kind of thin. I believe this is the second time that this has been cut. I'm raking for another farmer that I happen to know pretty well. Since my mom and dad are actually on vacation this weekend, so there ain't a whole lot going on. So he called me up and said he wants something to do. I said, okay, sure. So this is what I'm doing today. So now I'll just shut up and let you watch the raking action. Let's see if I can fix that. So there you have it. That's what I'm doing today.